got you on the gimbal, my gimbal. Just got to the studio today. Basically, report for today is I have woken up. I don't know why I put that still. Walk dog, done. Go studio, done. Mixing's next, but gotta go get lunch first. Alright, so pretty much how I made this was I used the C harmonic minor scale, and I just used a 1/4 progression. You want to use plucky notes for stuff like this. So this is what it sounds like. So it's dead simple. You want to use a lot of the chord notes, as I say in all the other videos, and then just fill in the rest of your ear. Yeah, that's that part. And then some like tremolo strings, now and again. Gives it a bit of spice, you know. Another little bit of flavour. A layer. And I just put these higher up an octave there, just to give it a bit more something else. Now the keys, I really like these. So it's just on every other root note. Right, strings. I've kind of like delayed the first one here to just give it a bit of something else, just to make it seem like more's going on. That's what I tend to do, to be fair. I tend to keep things quite simple, but make it seem like more's going on. I feel that's how you get better, because when you start adding loads of different random things in, but as you get better at making beats, you'll realise less is more. Yeah, it's the strings, and then pretty much all together. I've not fully arranged it, because I just made a short on this, but I'll show you the full process. I'll show you the drums in a second as well. But yeah, that's pretty sick. That's the full thing of that. And the drums, pretty much, let me just put them all out for you like this. So it's quite simple, and then all I did was I got this loop off Splice. Left hand. Temp 2, temp 3. That's ridiculous. Oh my god. Temp 11, I've started the challenge that I can't leave.